Welcome guys, this is Nam. Let's talk about Huawei P40 Pro live images and colors. The first live photos of the Huawei P40 Pro have been captured and published on Weibo. The original source is Digital Chat, which is fairly well known on Chinese social media as a tech leaker. However, the original post has since been deleted. Still, nothing can be truly deleted from the internet, so here are the photos. The first shows the front of the phone. You can just about make out the dual punch hole selfie camera. The status bar is set to black and there's a case, which mostly conceals the curves of the display. You can see the side curve pretty clearly, but the top and bottom sides are supposed to be curved too. The second photo shows the back of the case, which goes to great lengths to conceal the camera. You can see that there are two flaps used to hide the two rows of camera hardware. Now jump to P40 colors. Past 2 weeks have been rich in leaks for the upcoming Huawei P40 series flagships. Yesterday brought us our first live images of the P40 Pro, and now we have a new render of the same phone in a new mint green color courtesy of Evan Blass. Huawei is planning to bring 3 P-series flagships this time around with the P40, P40 Pro and P40 Pro Premium. One of the main differentiating factors between the three will be their rear camera count, with the Premium edition packing up to 5 sensors while the Pro will settle for 4. The main camera is expected to sport a 52-megapixel 1/1.3-inch sensor and 16-in-1 quad Bayer filter. There's also a 40-megapixel cinematic camera, 8-megapixel periscope module with 10x optical zoom and a 3D TOF sensor or a dedicated macro cam. The Huawei P40 family will be unveiled in March and will feature 3 new flagships, according to recent rumors. I hope you guys enjoy this and wait for the next story, and also subscribe. Peace out.